Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Photos. This is where deletion happens. If images show placeholders, tap a thumbnail to let iCloud download the full file so you delete the actual photo. Make sure you know whether you want to remove pictures just from this device or from iCloud across all devices. Once you confirm that, switch to the Photos library or Albums view and prepare to select multiple items. This saves time versus deleting one by one. You tap Select in the top right and then tap individual photos or drag across the screen to multi-select. Dragging is faster for adjacent items. If you're removing whole groups, switch to Albums or Moments and select the group header. This targets collections cleanly. After selection, tap the trash icon and confirm Delete Photo S. Remember, deleted pictures move to recently deleted and still occupy space until permanently removed. So continue to the next step to finish the job. You must open albums, then recently deleted to permanently remove items. They remain there for 30 days otherwise. Tap Select and then delete all to free storage immediately, or choose individual items if you changed your mind. Make sure to check iCloud Photos. If it's enabled, deletions sync across devices. If photos reappear or you can't delete, restart your iPhone and verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID. That troubleshooting step resolves most sync-related problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.